Okay, so we have reorganized our beautiful shelf up here. We've got different kinds of supplies and stuff, zippers, thread trimmers, and then we have our zipper heads over here and stickers and different kinds of things. And then very important, we have our sewing machine tools and parts here in this bin, and our sewing needles and like seam rippers, things like that. We have our sticker printing machine. And then down here we have our zippers, mainly reorganized by size. And then a very important feature that we've added to our shelf is we have this long black strip of Velcro that goes along the side. And this enables us to take our QR code for each supply and has a little piece of Velcro on the back, and then we can move it to wherever we might need if things need to get changed around. And so that's a very important feature.